this is Cheesy Smiles, back with another video. Today, we're going to be doing something else. We're trying a lot of, as you can see, hot sauces. I think we were going to do a series on this, and we're still thinking of a name. Maybe, like, down in the comments, you might want to put a name. Like, we're thinking experiment tastes, extreme tastes.
We don't know, whatever you...
And so, it's basically what it sounds like. So we're going to put each of these sauces on a spoon, and we're both going to try it. And then at the end, we're going to put them from least to most spiciness. Okay, so we have Green Dragon hot sauce from Trader Joe's. You gotta love Trader Joe's. They have absolutely everything. Cholula, everyone loves Cholula. I love Cholula. This is personally, I think, might be my favorite one.
Which one of these names so bad?
I'm gonna say one of these. This is, I don't know, Peppa Oi.
Joy.
Oh, Joy. That's a pepper is a J. Okay, Peppa Joy. This is from the Turks and Caicos. It's the original hot sauce in the Turks and Caicos. This is Torchy's hot sauce from, make a guess, Torchy's. This Louisiana's hot sauce is very famous. This one is supposed to be very, very, very spicy. It's called Susie's hot sauce. It's from the island of Antigua. Some people say Antigua, but the natives say Antigua. So we're gonna say it's from Antigua.
The more you know.
It's the original Caribbean taste. Susie's hot sauce, established in 1960. A. Sriracha. Can't go spicy hot sauce video without sriracha. Hui Fun Foods. Hui Fun Foods. Hui Fun Foods. This is it's not a hot sauce. It's barbecue sauce called Jawbone.
It's kind of spicy.
And it's
really
kinda
good
spicy.
though.
It's really good. We use it a lot. Actually, one of my best friends, Dad, is the owner of this company. So if you live in Dallas, you might go check out and look for Jawbone. It's really good barbecue sauce. Okay, so we're just gonna go classic left to right. So we're starting with Green Dragon hot sauce. Okay, get your milk ready.
I'm pouring my own.
Get your milk. The thing is,
I think we know who's gonna be more immune to the hot sauce.
yeah, I really like hot sauce, so I might be more immune if I can get the cap open.
Hudson, you're doing your own. You're gonna go way too much for me.
Is that good?
Yeah, I'll do that much. I don't even know how spicy this one is because I've never tried it.
So he's a weak one, and
Dude, I did almost more than you.
what? No. Okay.
Even.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's good. I mean, I think that's really good, but
It's good. It's okay.
it's
spicy
not
though.
that hot.
Okay, next hot sauce.
Cholula.
The Cholula.
Everyone loves Cholula. This is going to be no problem for me. Dude, I love Cholula.
I actually haven't had
I'm
any
literally
hot
going to have like a
sauces, so-
full spoon of Cholula. This thing is so...
Or the table can have some too.
Yeah. You want some?
Table's part of the challenge.
Table? You want some Cholula?
I've never had some.
Hey, we need some napkins! Napkins! Napkins?
It's fine.
Okay.
I have a decent amount, but Hudson has way more.
Our cameraman, aka sister. Okay, come here, napkins. Thank you. Cutscene. No, it's not that. Okay. Okay. Oh, you're so bad.
Hey, we had the napkin though.
You literally flipped your. You just.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. So good. Cholula is so good. I love Cholula. So you know like Funyuns, the onion rings, without the spice? Dude, you put Cholula on that. Oh, it's so
still
good.
in my mouth.
It's so good. I love Cholula.
I'm so glad I get to be on your YouTube channel.
Hey, you want to be on my YouTube channel? Sure. Okay, you have to eat a lot of hot sauce.
What is this?
Pepper Joy. I've never had this, so I literally have no idea what I'm expecting.
I haven't had
Here.
any of these except sriracha. Who hasn't had sriracha? Do you actually just drink it?
No, I smelled it.
I smell absolutely nothing.
Dude, this one doesn't look very good.
It's liquidy.
It's
weird.
literally vinegar.
Smells actually kind of like
let's
vinegar.
read what's in there. Bottled Pepper Joy is made from guava paste, guava pulp, guava sugar. I didn't even know there's.
They like.
Dude, they really like guava. Yeah, you want some?
Oh. At least it's a.
Hey, no one
jacket.
saw that. No one saw that. Okay.
Hold on.
I'm really not excited about this one.
I just spilled it on a white jacket.
I said, don't wear a white jacket to the hot sauce. And he's like, no, I'm fine. And bam. Whoop.
3,
Okay.
2, 1.
It's not spicy, but it's not good.
It does taste like.
It tastes like sugar water.
Yeah, it just tastes like sugar.
It's not good. That one's not good. And that one's not even that spicy either.
The camera just caught me spilling milk all over my shorts. Dude, this is the most messy video we've ever. Oh my.
So now we're doing Torchy's hot sauce. My parents love this.
But it smells so
But
bad.
it smells so bad. I don't know how they like this. Like,
Someone diarrhea in that thing.
it looks like they drank the Torchy's hot sauce, diarrhea back in the cup, and that was the new Torchy's hot sauce.
Thanks for making me want to have this hot sauce so much.
I'm not excited. Oh, it doesn't even come out. It's so slow.
Oh, it's so clumpy. It's like, I'm not getting very much of this.
It looks like
oh
it looks like orange wasabi.
no! I got so much. I mean, it doesn't look like that much, but Hudson compared to his, compared to the other.
I'm just not excited for this.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh.
That's disgusting. It's disgusting. Dude, it's not hot. It's not really that hot. It's just, it's absolutely. Okay, it's been like, I don't know. I can't tell time.
Like 5 minutes later, man.
No, it's been like 10 seconds probably.
I don't know.
But holy cow. That's disgusting. That thing tasted so
My mouth is still burning. That's a hot one.
No, it's just disgusting. Okay. After that, we're gonna be doing Louisiana hot sauce. I love Louisiana hot sauce, but it's not hot. So let's just go through this one.
Remember you said that thing wasn't hot.
Okay, it was this one. Okay, but it just tastes horrible. It tastes like.
It's still on my spoon. It's so bad that I'm wiping it off my spoon. Just so I don't get a hint of that.
It was so bad. I don't know how my parents like that.
I thought I gave myself way too much.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. That's good. That's good though. It's not that hot. It's good.
It's like average hot sauce, but drinking it does not taste good.
But
It's
it was
better
fine.
on it's better on food than straight up drinking hot sauce.
Yeah, that's so true. Now we're on to Susie's hot sauce. I've heard my parents say this one is a lot hotter than this one, so.
Dude, you're immune to like all of them. You just know when they taste bad.
But
My lips are burning. That feeling when you feel like you can breathe fire.
I feel like I can breathe Torchy's hot sauce.
Oh, that'd be horrible. But everyone,
They're just like, hi, Torchy's hot sauce.
everyone would be like, brush your teeth.
Dude, I bet my mouth smells horrible. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah. I just did this. I got like the smallest bit of it ever. Even with like not even.
Oh, that hurt. So now we're the classic Susie's. Oh my god. I'm talking about. Now we're the classic sriracha. Okay, so I actually don't like sriracha by itself, but I love it in my
I've
soups.
never even had sriracha
Dude, in my soups, I love it. Like
And
I had
ramen sriracha's good.
in pho, which is a Vietnamese noodle dish.
Pho's the best.
I put in pho. That smelled horrible.
He was like, in pho.
And then I put it in ramen noodles. Love it in ramen. Lipton, all the chicken noodle soup and stuff like that. But oh
What
god,
are you doing?
I was putting it in my milk. Okay,
So dumb.
God,
500 IQ.
the spiciness is messing with my brain. 3, 2, okay. And now we're on to the last sauce, and this is a relief. This one is just so good, Jawbone. Like
Jawbone and Green Dragon have seemed to be the best.
the prune dragon. He spent too much time in the water. He's pruning. Oh, I see. Shake it up.
Boy pants.
Okay. Oh, I'm so excited for this.
I just like dinked it and it gave him a lot.
Okay.
You just dink. Oh no! It's actually not that spicy. 3, 2, 1.
It's so good.
Still need milk.
I mean, do you have any left? We're both on our like 4th cups. I mean that's spicy, but it's really good.
It tastes like barbecue sauce. It doesn't really taste like a spicy stuff.
I mean it's spicy. I mean it has
It tastes good with chicken.
Okay, see we finished all of our hot sauces.
Somehow we made it through.
Now we're gonna rate them. So let's just say this and this.
We're
Like-
horrible.
No, this one Susie's is actually kind of good. I think this Susie's hot sauce was the hottest. This was the most disgusting by far. This one.
These two
These were
were my
really good.
favorite.
Yeah, these two were my favorite. I thought actually no. I love Cholula. I think Cholula is really good. I think
This one's good, but it's not that spicy.
but I think it's actually like more spicy than like Cholula or like
It's more spicy than this thing.
no, that was spicy. It just tasted horrible. Okay, I think this is.
This is most mild.
Yeah, I'm saying this is the least spicy. Jawbone, it's the least spicy.
That one was somewhat.
Second, third.
This one was not that spicy.
I think Louisiana's like before Cholula.
Yeah, Louisiana was like
Pepper.
sweet.
I think no. Oh, Pepper Joy was a sweet one.
Oh, is that the one with the guava?
Yeah, all the guava.
Yeah, that's the one, not Louisiana.
Yeah. I think, and then sriracha. Okay, so
And this.
I think it goes. So we think it goes.
This one's
Pepper
special.
Joy, Jawbone, Green Dragon hot sauce, Louisiana.
This
Cholula.
one's very special.
It's
So
very, very special. Sriracha, Torchies, and Susie sauce. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.